Okay, two metal cups are stuck together. Which of the following setups can be used to separate them? First of all, we need to revise, right? We know that heat makes matter expand. Okay, we know this, but this is not a helpful definition. I mean, it's good to know this, but it is better to remember that matter, when matter gains heat, it expands. Okay, and the it here refers to matter. Yeah, I know, try to avoid the use of it in your exam answers, but here, this word it here refers to matter. Okay, so when matter gains heat, it expands. And when matter loses heat, it contracts. Okay, which is the opposite of expand. So now that we know this, let's look at uh, these two cups. Now, these two cups, they are stuck. Okay, in case you can't see, I'm going to draw something for us to see it better. Okay, this is how I normally draw. Cut it a bit. Ta-da. Okay, so now we have two cups, one here and another one here, similar. Now for these two cups are now stuck, right? Okay. Now for us to make these two cups, to separate these two cups, the outside one here needs to expand, right? The outer one here needs to expand. If it's like that, then if it's the inside cup, then the inside cup needs to contract, right? Because if the inside cup expands, I'm going to draw it like that. I'm going to leave a little bit of gap so that you can see the difference. Okay, now if the inside cup expands this way, okay, oops, if the inside cup, sorry, expands this way, and the outside cup contracts this way, okay, likewise on all sides, again, if the inside cup expands and the outside cup contracts, I think these two will be even tighter, right? But if we were to do the other way around, we need this to expand, we need the outside cup to expand and the inside cup to contract, right? Then this gap here will be bigger and it will not be tighter. Okay, so for this to happen, for us to separate these two cups, the inside cup here needs to contract. Okay, and therefore putting ice cubes inside, so let's say I'm putting some ice cubes here. Okay, ice cubes inside. Okay, I'm putting some ice cubes. I'm putting some ice cubes inside. Okay, once I put the ice cubes inside, like that, okay, what would happen is that the ice cubes here will make this cup, the inside cup, contract, right? And when the inside cup contracts, it becomes smaller. Yes? Whereas the outside cup, I can expand it. And how do I expand it? I need to apply heat, right? So how do I apply heat? Okay, by putting it within a container that is filled with hot water. The heat will travel from the hot water into the cup. This hot water will make the cup hot, and the ice will make the inner cup cold. So when the cup loses heat, it contracts. When the inside cup loses heat, it contracts. When the outside cup gains heat, it expands. So inside cup contracts, outside cup expands. This gap here in between will be bigger, and the two metal cups that are stuck together can be separated. Okay, so with this knowledge, look at the four options and figure out which one do you think is a better answer. Okay, thank you.